Today, welding this irrigation pipe. It is very old aluminum and it's had water running through it for a lot of years, so it's probably going to be pretty gross, but we're going to try and patch this up. So because of the way it's cracked, it's kind of tapered in a bit like this. So what we're going to do is take on the actual piece itself and put a bevel on it so that this is kind of, it holds its shape and puts it exactly where we need it to go, because it kind of fits like a puzzle piece. Okay, so now that we've beveled this, the broken piece, we're gonna set it in here after I drop it. It's gonna set in there like that, and it's still a little tight here, so I'm gonna take and bevel the inside of the actual pipe itself so that this kind of sits in, and we'll use the bottom edge as a guide.
What this is.
Okay, so we got our TIG torch set up. This is gas out, so this goes to our TIG torch. This block, it's a hollow tube, so it connects the gas line to our torch. This is our stick welding stinger that we're not going to use, just gets bolted tight. This is our ground cable, and that goes up over there into that the coil. And this is our foot pedal. So that line goes up right over there. Okay, so we just got a tack on there, and then we'll put a few more on just to hold it in place, and then we'll weld it from the outside all the way around. Okay, got one more tack on it, so I'm going to, I think I'm going to weld it all out now. So next time you see it, it'll be fully welded. See?
Explain why that happened.
Just got too hot. It cooled down and heated up too many times, and then the ceramic breaks. So we're gonna have to grind the edge of this weld off because it got some contamination. And there's a little hole here. Okay, the aluminum is getting really hot and it's close to the edge, so it kind of melted away a bit. So I stopped, and then I'm gonna take and grind that out a bit just so I get a nice clean stop and start, and then I'll work my way around, just letting the aluminum cool a bit. Okay. Okay, final product with the end cap on for the piping. Okay, I was using a Lincoln Square Wave TIG 255. We had it on 2-step remote current with the pedal. We had it on 200 amps, but that's because I used the pedal. So I was probably welding it around 145, 150, but I like having that pedal play. And then we had it on continuous for high frequency aluminum. We had it on auto balance just because whatever, it works good. TIG pulser was off. We had the afterflow set at 10 seconds for the 145, 150 amps. And then we have this set at AC, and we were using a 17 torch with a 332 collet body and gas lens with an 8 gas lens.